Hi, this is Corey, your pond coach from The Pond Guy. I'm here today to share tips and tricks for getting the most out of your new ClearVac pond vacuum. Tip 1. The ClearVac is designed to remove sludge, muck, algae, and debris up to 3/8 of an inch. That's about the size of a regular marble. Before using your vacuum, remove large leaves, twigs, and acorns with a pond net. When vacuuming, you will get the best results if you move the intake hose in a slow, uniform fashion. Tip 2. The higher and farther away your ClearVac is in relation to your pond, the less suction you will get. You will achieve optimal suction if you place the ClearVac at the same level as the water. Your intake and discharge hoses should remain fully extended, not coiled or kinked. The vacuum is designed to perform at its best above 7 feet. Anything deeper will result in less suction. Tip 3. If you lose suction power, the first step is to prime the vacuum. To prime the unit, remove the suction hose from the water and elevate it. This motion will force any remaining water into the chamber and the unit should begin drawing water again. If you still do not have proper suction, turn off the machine and check for a clog. First, check the intake and discharge assemblies, ensuring there is no debris caught in the flap, preventing full suction. Next, check the intake hoses and float assembly for obstructions. Remember that a pond vacuum is not a shop vacuum, and it's not designed to be. A pond vacuum is designed to be a more controlled, steady cleaning tool, allowing you to clean your pond without harming your fish or disrupting the delicate aquatic habitat. Routine use of your new ClearVac allows you to conduct pond maintenance and cleaning without draining your entire pond. If you have any further questions about your ClearVac, give us a call at 866-POND-HELP or visit us online at thepondguy.com.